How many of you want to know why humans buy? Why do you buy something? Why did you buy passion panel? Why did you buy a ceiling fan? Why did you buy a water bottle? Why did you buy a laptop? Why did you buy internet? If you let me tell you, let me tell you, okay, Northern Indian world is there. If you understand this thing, okay, I'm giving you, this is a superpower for you. If you understand this, it will solve your problem of selling. It will solve your problem of selling. Not satisfy your ego. There could be another problem. I'll share you. Not okay. Some are correct. Some are okay. Venkata saying, did Gurudev hypnotize you in the read event? Okay, good. So don't worry. So we'll come to that. 10 reasons why humans buy. I'll give you exercise at the end of this today's session so that you can map what are the product that you have, what are the service that you have, what are the software that you're selling, what is the product. Even if you have kirana shop, if you map your service to these 10 reasons, there is like you can make easy money. Not scarcity. Scarcity comes as a different thing. Okay. First reason is your product helping people to make money? Everyone wants to make money. Why would some people buy Shiba coins, cryptocurrency, which doesn't even exist, which you can't touch? Or why people are going mad into that Bitcoin or whatever the coins are there? Desire. People want to make money. So many scams were made using this emotion, showing the promise that people will make money. Yeah, am I true or not? So what is that? Will your product, okay, we are not doing scams or anything. We are serving people. We are true entrepreneurs. We are helping people. But does your product help people to make money? If it helps, let's say career growth or like get a new job, it is actually mapped to making money, right? That's one thing. Does your product help them to save money? I was talking with one of the Tally, or one of the part of Passion Point family. Accounting and Tally. Tally actually helps people to save money if they have that accounting software. But are you promising that your customers, by using this software or by joining my course, I'll show you like unknown market where you can? Why would people come and buy, Big Billion Day or Amazon sale or whatever? They want to save money. They're getting the price at discount. Does your product or software will help them to save money? Are you going to show some unknown market where they can find the products at very low price? What is the product? Third is saving time. Does your product or service or course or program, does it help the outcome will help them to save time, which could be productivity or whatever. Number 4 is avoid effort. They're going through a lot of struggles, but your program or your course or your software, your product will help them to go like weight loss. They think that, oh, I need to work hard and all those things. But you show them that this is effortless way. How can you lose the weight? You don't need to go through all the struggles. You just join this program or just take my service. You're avoiding the effort. Okay. Who wants a effort and struggles? No one wants. They want to avoid effort. Next is, will your product make them escape mental or physical pain? ointment, painkillers. Okay. People buy, or mental pain. Maybe they got broke up. Maybe relationships are not working. There's a big mental pain. Maybe they are not able to spend time with the family because of their busy. That's a mental pain. Number 6 is, will it make them more comfortable? Will it make more comfortable? Think about it. 7 is, will your product help them to achieve better health? will it make them lose weight? Like reverse diabetes or whatever? People have whatever, like everyone wants health, right? That's how humans are designed. Number 8, gain praise. Do they want, like, but just by using your social media, like your service, will they get so many followers, so many subscribers on YouTube? What is it? Will they get, if I use this, if I take this product and go home, will my wife appreciate me or not? Okay, that is what they want. Gain praise. Feel more loud. Will they get feel more loud just by using your product? Will people love them just because what are the transformation that you are going to give them? Will they get appreciation and of course feel loud? Number 10 is increase in social status. The outcome will help them to buy a luxury car, or the outcome will help them to buy a villa or a chartered flight, or whether, of course, like Vardarajanji said, like they'll get a job. A job is a status, right? So status, you'll like, with what are the status that you're going to give? Maybe some software, it will help them with the productivity, and they'll productivity again will help them to grow in the income. Growing the income shows the social status and all those things, right? So that is what I want, Anand. That is what I want. Do not settle for one reason. Map your product to more than 3, 4, 5. The more reasons you tell to people, the more reasons that people understand, or the more people will believe that this will help them, so many reasons, they'll buy. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about. I'll show you example. How many of you want an example with all the 10 reasons? Okay, help me understand. How many of you learned something new or feel over deliver? Type in over deliver if you. This. Okay, good. Thanks. Don't worry. I'll show with the example. Don't worry. Right? I'll give you a worksheet where everything. Okay, someone has already read. Good job. So let me go into more detail. It's not yet over. So I'll give you this worksheet. Okay. By the way, it's my company, Coach Funnels. So everyone able to see the? Sorry. I think I've shared with the. Don't need a repeat. I'll give you that document. Don't worry. So why people buy? Why people buy? Okay, there are 10 reasons. Okay, don't worry. Coach Funnels is my company name, or it's not something different. It's my only. So here are the 10 reasons why people buy. So you need to answer these questions. What? Okay, Zoom. Can you see now? More Zoom? Good. What are 5 ways? You need to answer, okay? What are the 5 ways my product or service will help them to make money? So write down these answers for each and every question so that you will get more clarity and you can find more reasons to sell with human emotions. Of course, people take buying decision based on emotions, and they justify a bit with logics. Will understand, will you learn more in the upcoming sessions. So what are the 5 ways my your product will help them to make money? Second question is, how can I or my product or service help them to save money over the next week, month, or year? Can you promise that my software will help you to save 30% of expenditure or something? Right? How much time can I save them? And what else could they do with that time? Very good. So of course you're promising them that you can help them to save time by product become more productive, and also you need to show the picture. What can they do in their extra time? Maybe they can spend valuable time with the family. Okay. Again, I'll come to Rupashri. Don't worry with example. I'll show example which will clarify all the things. What is something that they don't have? Okay. What is something that they don't have to do anymore once they get my product or service? What is that avoid? What is the effort that you will help them to avoid? So maybe you are helping them to automate the things. They don't need to repeat everything. You're making that automated. What physical pain do I eliminate for them? And what does that mean for their life and business? There could be so many physical pains, right? Headache, migraine. Okay. Because you solve that migraine, headache problem, how their life will be. Just solving the not problem. So you need to promise that your product will solve the problem, but also you need to paint the picture how their life will be after they grow the income, saving the money, saving the time, avoiding the effort, how their life looks like. How does my product or service eliminate mental pain? What are 3 ways I or my product can help them to feel more comfortable? Don't need to write. Okay, I'll give you this sheet. How does my product or service, okay, healthy or okay, how does my product or service make it easier? Okay, 5th point. Okay. How does my product or service eliminate mental pain or worry for them? Mental pain, okay, there are so many mental pain. Parenting is a mental pain. Okay, raising kids is a mental pain. Raising a pet dog is a mental pain. Okay. And what you can map that. What are 3 ways I or my product will help them to feel more comfortable? Maybe your Swiggy is a more comfortable product, right? They're doing home delivery. That's why it became successful. Yes, all products in the world, you need to write down how it is going to help with these 10 reasons. How does my product or service help them to achieve health? How does my product or help them to healthy or alive? What makes them feel that like that? What are the 3 ways my product or service is going to help them to invite their friends and feel more loud in the family? Okay, how will buying my product make them feel more popular and increase their social status? How many of you bought Passionpreneur for increase in social status? Type in the chat box. What could be the reason you know? Okay, okay, good. Passionpreneur, quit 9 to 5. It's a social status. So Gurudev knows, and you also learn. This is actually persuasion. Okay, this is persuasion, and use it for good things. Okay, you can do also bad things with it, but our goal is to do good things, help people to solve the problem. So let's get into a protein shake, an example of a protein shake. How protein shake will help people to make money? Drink this shake in the morning, you'll have fantastic amount of energy, you'll do better in the job and probably get a raise. How it will save money? Our protein shake is 25% less expensive than the market leader, but it has superior ingredient. Like you can tell that it will be a little bit less. How it will save the time? They don't need to go with the hard work of cutting the vegetables, cooking, and all those things. Just mix it in the water. You'll get same nutrition by drinking the protein shake. Okay, easy. How it will avoid the effort? Again, You have your breakfast done in 30 seconds rather than cooking so many things, and it's delicious. Escape mental or physical pain. Don't you hate feeling bloated all the time when you eat too much of breakfast? Or what about the feeling that you're starving because you skipped the breakfast? This shake will solve all the problems. Get more comfort. Maybe it will solve constipation because people digestion problem. Achieve greater health hygiene. When you drink this protein shake, you won't have a bad breath when you show up at the office. Drinking the protein shake in the morning proven to lose weight and looks great in your old jeans, maybe. Okay. You can say old jeans. Gain praise and feel more loved. You save time in the morning that you can spend. Maybe why they waste the time cooking? They can save the valuable time with the morning with the family. Be more popular and increase social status. When you lose weight, of course, people will appreciate that as an increase in status. Let's take another example for you who are in a coaching program. Executive coaching program. Okay, executive coaching program. How does executive coaching program will help them to make money? Of course, whatever your teaching person will help them to like better in job promotion, recruiting, save money. You could spend twice as much on consultants to help you do this, but we are going to teach you how to do it. Like, who are the audience? Hey, why you go to other consultants? I'll teach you how to do that so that you can save money and repeat the same things in your business based on the situation. I'll help you. I'll coach you. Avoid the effort. You don't have to figure this on things on your own. All you have to do is we tell you what to do with our proven templates you are going to do. That's how passion pattern. Like, you don't need to think. We have the templates, we have the life guide, you have coaches, one-to-one, all those things are there. That means you can save time, effort, energy. That is what you need to promise. Escape mental or physical pain. What could an executive who's looking to do executive coaching be trying to do? What are the emotional pain that they want to avoid? Okay, spending too much time in the office and neglecting their family. Can you do something? Staying away from the doing overwork, staying all the way in the night doing the work is an emotional pain, mental pain. What can you help them so that they can become more productive or more organized and they won't neglect their family? Okay, get more comfort. Attend our executive program where top 1% achievers enjoy all the benefits. Having at the corner of from 500 company. Like Passionpreneur family is where people understand you, not the outside people. This is where you can be yourself, open, and people understand. This is where you live comfort and you can share whatever you are. Attain fuller health. We are going to show you not only how to excel in the job, but also how to find balance in your life. You can manage your health, energy, and become a high performer. Well, that coaching program will help them gain, fail, and feel more loved. We'll show you how to organize your time so that you're not staying in the office until late night and you'll be home and enjoy memorable times with your family. All right, so that's it.